about 2:30 in the afternoon on New Year's Eve day, and I just put my pajamas on and I'm about to take a 3, 4, 5-hour nap. I don't intend to get up and get dressed until an hour and a half until I'm supposed to be at the restaurant tonight. So that's what I'm gonna do. See you later. That famous pizza from John and Vinny's that I waited about 30 minutes for, and then I had a 15-minute walk back. So it's cold now, but this is the Bronx Bomber, and we'll see how it tastes in a minute. You know what? This pizza is the bomb, and it's, like I said, it's at room temperature now, and it's still really, really good. So I guess this is worth the wait. So how do I look? Because I'm feeling pretty lit. Just got back from Yamashiro. The bartender comped my 3rd drink, and I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed. on my last night in LA. I'm sad, but I'm thinking of going out for a drink. I'm not really hungry. So where should I go? All the way back to Jones or Yamashiro? To Roger Room, maybe? Or shall I just walk over to Zankei? That's probably what I should do. It's maybe 5 blocks away. I'll let you know.